Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious butter chicken, which is also known as Murgh Makhani. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first you need to marinate the chicken with these ingredients. You can also find the link to chicken tikka on the top right corner I button. Marinate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight to get more juicy or tender chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil on a tawa. Place the marinated chicken pieces and cook for 2 minutes on high heat. Flip and roast for another 2 minutes. Then cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Our chicken tikka is perfectly roasted and ready now. Cook all the chicken pieces like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamoms, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 6 to 8 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 slit green chillies, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger and 3 onions sliced. Cook till the onions turn translucent. Then add 5 chopped tomatoes and 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Mix well and cook. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Red Chilly Powder, 2 teaspoons of Cumin Coriander powder and mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. The tomatoes have turned mushy now. Add half cup of water. Mix well and bring it to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Let the butter melt and then mix. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. Blend to a fine paste. Pass the prepared paste through a sieve. Add water to the remaining mixture and strain. Give it a good mix. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and then add the prepared gravy mixture. Cook the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes and then add water to adjust consistency according to your preference. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilly Powder if needed and crushed kasuri methi. Mix well and bring to boil. Then add the prepared chicken tikka pieces. Mix well with the gravy and cook for 5 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix to combine. Finally add 1 teaspoon of butter. Let it melt and then mix. A delicious butter chicken is ready now. Serve with fresh cream and fresh coriander leaves on top. So here it is, our all-time favorite butter chicken or Murgh Makhani. The chicken pieces are perfectly tender and juicy and the gravy is oh so delicious. This goes perfectly well with lachha paratha or steamed rice. So do try it out yourselves and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.